Hey, so we're in the shop today and we're gonna do a French look using the French stencil pack. And this is my big pack of Airbrush Nail Art stencils. We're gonna do it on one of my fingers. Super excited. So let's do a French look and we're gonna do this one over glitter. Stay tuned. First things first, let's open up the stencil pack. So what we have here is the French bundle. It's not called the big French bundle. It's just called the French bundle. And it's going to come with 2 sheets of each. So it's going to have 2 sheets of this wide, 2 sheets of the normal. And I'm going to show you because it comes like that, like that. That's 2 sheets of the wide. This is 2 sheets of the normal. And then 2 sheets of the deep wide and 2 sheets of the deep normal. And you can see them kind of, there you go. Right, so this is a shorter nail and we're really attempting a micro French. Now on the normal you have 2 different looks. You have a normal round look and then you have a deep of this normal look, right? So these are deep but just not as deep as the others. So because I'm doing a micro French and I really want it super close to the edge, I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with this guy and I'm gonna just put it right there. And I do like the fact that these stencils go end to end. Now if you have a wider nail bed, that's totally fine. You would just take that one off and use the wider one on your client or yourself or the press-on nails, no problem. And I'm going to try to put this nice and even, because we're just doing like a little micro French and then we got it end to end, nice and easy. We're going to be airbrushing with the One Air acrylic airbrush paints. This one is white and I'm using my Galahari airbrush. So now that we got our stencil placed down on our nail, we're going to go ahead and hit it with a nice 90-degree angle. Just right on top of our stencil. Make sure we get our corner. I do like the One Air airbrush paint because it literally dries as you're spraying. Super easy to use. So now let's just take our little stencil off. And you got the perfect micro French. Let's see what it looks like. Glossy. And then this is acrylic water-based airbrush nail art paint, so you can literally just clean up the skin with either a little alcohol or your client can just wash their hands. I am going to pop this in the lamp and cure it. Okay, all nice and cured and such a pretty look. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one where we're going to be doing a micro French look, but we're going to use the French stencils and we're going to use our Pat Pat gels.